How much I need to invest to start earning money online in 2026? Is it no investment? Is it $100, 1000 or more than $1000? Well, this is the question which I hear a lot these days. And what I did after this is that I analyzed some of the most popular ways which are used to earn money online, and what I found is really amazing and surprising at the same time. And I would say you are going to get surprised like me, because I found some ways which one can start for free while others require small to big investment that most people usually or ignore and never talk about. So let's break it down, and starting with the number one is method number one is freelancing. Now I would be explaining all these methods in tabular form. So in one column I would be talking about the investment, and in the third column here would be our earning potential. So the method number one is freelancing. Let me tell you that the investment required is $0. You don't need to invest money, but you do need to have some skills, like you need to be a good writer, good coder, good editor, or good copywriter to earn money as a freelancer. Now, if I talk about earning potential, it is up to 300 to $500 a month. So this is how you can do this method without investing a dollar from your side. And the number second method is faceless YouTube channel. Now, if I talk about this, like you hear two scenarios arise. First is if you are self-sufficient. What I mean by self-sufficiency is that you know writing, you scripts, you know thumbnail designing, you know editing. Now, in that case, you require $0 investment because you are doing all stuff by yourself. So you require $0 investment. You don't need to invest anything, and I would say you will be earning $1000 a month as a beginner. And if I talk about the second scenario in which you are not self-sufficient, you are not able to do all things like like writing, scripting, or thumbnail designing all by yourself. In that scenario, you have to hire some freelancer or some other person besides yourself. And in that case scenario, you are required to have at least $100 investment. And in that case, you are also expected earnings might be $1000. Now, if I talk about the third method is this selling digital products. Now, in this case, there is a big doubt that many people think that for creating and listing a product, I need to pay. Let me tell you that you don't need to pay for creating and listing your product on sites like Gumroad or Payhip or other, selling e-commerce sites. But to get sales, you have to run ads, and for that you need to invest money. And if I talk about how much you need to invest at least $500 as a starter. So to earn, if I talk about 10k, 10k a month, you have to earn at least $1500. So this is bit riskier method, but it is the best one if you are able to, master it or implement in the right place in the right way. So the talking about the fourth one is affiliate marketing. Now, here arises two scenarios again. First, if you are going organic, like you are not promoting the product, in that case you need to invest. You are not investing you are not investing money to run ad campaigns or stuff like that, and you are without investing a dollar, you can expect $5000 a month if your product or if your offer is good. Now, if you're running paid campaigns and investing some 300 to $500, you can again expect more than $5000. But again, I would say the results are not guaranteed, because it's up to your ad campaign or the product. If it is good or trending or uh, in demand, then the results are good, and on that basis results come. And talking about the fifth and the most favorite of mine is writing. Well, if I talk about this is the best and the best suited method for beginners, I would say this is recommended by me because I have tried this method by myself, and I have made money by this method by myself. And I would say you don't need to invest any money. You can start with $0 investment by coming over platforms like Substack, Medium, or Text Broker. And if I talk about earning potential, it's about 500 a month. So this is how these five methods work, and this is how much investment you are required to have, and the earning potentials or earnings which you can expect from these ways. And this is all about today. See you soon in the next video. And if you have any doubts about these methods or regarding investment or earning potential, you can comment about it and I would love to answer it. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.